Howdy howdy, and welcome to TNT Evilution Map 21 Administration Center. We are pistol starting on Ultraviolence, and we've got a bit of a hot start here. We have an imp in front of us, an imp and a shotgunner behind us on the ledge, and then another shotgunner to our left. That's why I'm pausing this to do this intro real fast so I don't get lit up immediately. So, I'm gonna go for that super shotgun and then start getting rid of stuff. And then I'm just gonna duck into here and get rid of this shotgunner. And then get rid of that shotgunner and swipe his shotgun. He didn't die. For some reason I thought I saw him go down, but I know there might be a shotgunner that comes from this direction. Sometimes he does, sometimes he doesn't. Thought that would get both of them. Alright, now can't even see him. Now I'm gonna get rid of all of the imps and chain gunners up in the windows. We're gonna have to do a giant circle around this whole room to get all of them. I'm gonna try to make it at least somewhat quick. I can't even see that imp. There's gonna be more shotgunners coming too. There we go. There's one of them. Gonna wait. Oh, are you serious? What? Where did the shells go right there? I'm really curious to know how that happened. He didn't even react to getting hit. It's like it did nothing to him. There we go. Let's keep going. I hate the start of this map. I'm really not a fan of this map in general, but the start is just abysmal. I guess you could leave these for later, but then you risk getting surprised when you're running back through this room, which you do several times. So you might as well just get rid of them. But my god, is it so tedious. Such a tedious start. Look how many there are, too. Alright, I think we've made the full circle. Yeah, okay, now we can move on. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna get these shells really fast before I move on. I'm going to go into here, get rid of these imps. Don't worry about the ones that wake up behind you. We'll deal with them in a bit. Here we go. I'm going to grab the stim pack and the box of shells, and then move into here. Get some infighting going with the Hell Knight and the Cacodemon. I think we got it. Oh, I'm gonna grab this big medikit now, and then get rid of these two imps that are hiding down in the stupid pit. Where are you? They're a pain to deal with. Alright, now, this part I'm going to do very carefully. Walk along this edge, grab this health, get rid of these Hell Knights now. Actually, we're about to get a ton of shotgun ammo, so I'm gonna go over and press the switch from up here rather than drop down, so I can collect all the bonuses, the rocket launcher, without taking damage, and the health if you need it. I'm sure I'll take it in a bit. Want to wake up everything in here. Clear out some imps. Okay. Not really necessary, but sometimes it helps out to get them in fighting. That time, it helped a little, I guess. Alright, we're gonna go get some armor, and then this box of rockets, and I'll take the stim pack now. Because we're gonna deal with a lot of shotgunners right through here. Oh, that door doesn't close. Nice. Should be one more, I think. I was almost hoping those projectiles would hit him. Alright, I'm gonna go get rid of some imps. Grab another box of shotgun, or another box of rockets. To deal with all these Hell Knights that are on that little pillar out there. Can't tell if there's any more that are going to come at me. If there are, I'd like to get rid of them, but I don't see any coming, so I'm just going to start. Ah, that one went a little too... probably too far to the right. We should have, like, just enough rockets to get rid of all of them. There we go. I'm gonna try to save 2 rockets. Come on, man. Just die. Are you serious? You had to have taken some of that splash damage. Jesus. Alright. Let's take a box of shells instead of grabbing that. There. Because there's a bunch of them out here. There's 20. There's 20 shells, 40 shells. Also, I want to grab a secret before we move on. That's the imp I was waiting on. He was stuck right there. Get us a little secret here, which I will save. Okay, now there's going to be some imps wandering around. I think they're back here. That's why I dropped down there, so I wouldn't land right on top of them. Get mauled instantly. Of course, I timed that and still missed somehow. Alright, that might have been all of them. They usually split up. So we'll go. It's hard to differentiate the imp sounds that are coming from some of these rooms versus the ones that are out here. Alright, let's keep going. Check this last little cubby. I think that's all of them. Alright, let's go. I don't want this to be any longer than it needs to be, and it's probably already gonna be, so... Gonna let the imps come to me. I think that's all of them. Okay, he didn't fire a seeker. Anything else? Oh, there's a berserk pack. Do I want that right now? It would be a waste of the health. Nah, let's save it. Alright, we got the red key, so let's go to the red door. Watch out for a chain gunner. Get rid of a Hell Knight. Should be just a couple imps. Yep, okay. I'm gonna take these shells and then go up through here. You can hear the chain gunners. They're actually on top of this bookshelf, which will lower when we cross this line def. And that's all of them. That's all, folks. Alright. We have 1 of 4 secrets. Can't remember if there's one down here. I think there might be. Gonna get these rockets. Raise the stairs, let some of the imps come to me. And there's the backpack, thank God. Now we can go collect a bunch of those shells back yonder once we're done here. The 16 rockets too? Okay, cool. Let's open this. Thank you for getting rid of that imp for me. Damn it. There we go. And the chain gunner. Get rid of all of that. Ah, there we go. Go through this little opening here. For a computer map. And some health. I'm gonna get out the super shoddy. Okay. I don't think there's a secret down here, but I just want to be sure, because I don't want to have to run back through this map. This is going to be really long now that I'm actually thinking about it, because this is a long map. It might even be longer than the last one. The last one I said I thought was the biggest map. Funny enough, this one is very close, if not bigger. It's actually debatable, probably. I'll save it. Just because, again, I don't need it. Yellow. I think I went the wrong way. Well, I think either way I would have had to have... Yeah, it's over here. Either way, it would have been about the same distance. Oh god, I can't believe he landed that. Squeeze through without grabbing those. Oh no, I missed the box of rockets! Alright, we're gonna go for the radiation suit now. Any more of you down here? Yes. Let's get rid of all of them quickly. Then we'll go back for the shotgun shells. Then we'll take this up. I'm gonna go over here for the chainsaw. This is going to waste a lot of time. I probably shouldn't have done that, but oh well. At least we got rid of one chain gunner there. And now we're just going to stay on this lift, because if we go back down into this lava or whatever, it's going to damage us. This is not a fun room, not a fun part. I hate that I missed that box of rockets, but I probably won't need it by the end, to be honest. I've been saving them pretty well. Where? Oh. Where did it teleport him? But I know there's something to this part, right? Oh, that's a tracer. Alright. Look, how am I going to get away from that thing? That worked out. Okay. It's a bit boring, to be honest. There we go. Get out of here. Where are the rest of these secrets at? I genuinely don't remember, and it's making me very nervous. Ah, how'd you pull that off? I still only got one. I feel like that's not right. There's not one in here, I don't think. Yeah, there's not. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's... Not this room. I've got all the keys. We should be ready to go, honestly. Is that... That's not a secret either? I guess not. Alright. How do I get back? I can't? I can't get back? Are you serious? I didn't even want to come here yet. Alright, whatever. Cool. I hate this map. This might be my least favorite map so far. The map design is what makes this one so bad. It is just god-awful. It's not even bad, it's worse than bad. It's like, it is god-awful, man. I am really hating this. Thank God. Is there anything else in here besides this teleport? Of course, the one spot I chose to drop down. Man, this is god-awful. Alright. I still only have one secret. What is going on, dude? I feel like that's not right. I definitely should have gotten more by now. I'm not sure what I'm missing, though. I don't even know where to look. Alright, I need to get back up. Where am I hearing imps at? How did you get in there? Oh, because I haven't been in here yet. That's it, right? I have to flip some switch. Ah. Good lord, what is this? I can't see anything. This map is so bad. What's happening, dude? What? What was that? I'm not even sure if I'm doing any of this in the right order or what. What is happening? That's not a secret either. What is happening? What is that? I don't know what's going on anymore. I have no idea what's happening. This map has like broken my... What is this? What? Alright, let's just... Oh my god, I'm here? I don't even want to be here. I don't even want to be here. Please. There has to be a way back. Oh, it's not there. It's not what I wanted to do. Okay, cool. This is just ridiculous. Alright, what was the first room I went into? Oh, it's this one. Okay. Take that health. I'll take those. I tagged this already. That's the one secret that I've gotten through this entire thing. Wow, okay. Now let's go. Not here. Should be this way. God, I never want to play. I never want to play this map again for as long as I live. This is just awful. I'm already not the biggest fan of TNT. And it's like the more that I play, I actually think I'm starting to like it less, which is the opposite of what I hoped would happen. But yeah, that's what's happening for sure. No! Why are you closing that? Oh, I was like, that doesn't stay closed, does it? I know about this secret here. That's 2. And I know there's one more near the end before we go outside. Oh, wait, and then there's one outside. Okay, never mind. I think I know where all the secrets are. Keyword in that sentence. Let's say, good lord, skeleton boy. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here, though. I got the BFG. Why are there so many layers to this? I guess I should have... I should have checked this direction. Ooh, nice. Yeah, I definitely should have. And that's it? There's nothing else here? Okay, let's go. This is a confusing nightmare. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, I know where we need to go next. We need to go blue door, back to where we were. We've hit both the switches. Alright, I believe that the... It's either over here... No, it's not over here. Or... right there. Okay. Now outside. Okay, cool. I think that's all of the hit scanners. I need to lower the wall. Oh. I didn't mean to do that yet. Alright, well, just time to get rid of everything. And we need to keep an eye out for a cyber demon that's wandering around. Okay. Now... how do I get out of here? You serious? What? Is it this? Can I even fit through the— oh, okay. There's a teleporter there. What? Shady. Where's the cyber demon? Ah! He just teleported? Okay. This is such a mess of a map. It's a literal mess. I'm gonna grab this, even though it's a debuff. I might as well try to get all the items. I'm already this far in. We've got all the secrets. We're almost done with the kills. We just got like 30 imps left. And the cyber demon is very low. I don't want to fight him with this debuff on me. Oh my good god, there he is. Alright, I'm gonna wait the debuff out. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm already over 30 minutes. Let's get rid of this. Good lord, this thing is... although this took me longer than the last map, I'm not actually sure which one's bigger. Oh my god. Hello? Oh, dude. It's like literally impossible to say where these last enemies could be. They could be literally anywhere. Oh, this is just great. That's the exit. Oh my god, no. We killed everything up here. We did, didn't we? We did. Oh, man. There's... what's that? What? How did he get there? One kill is preventing me. He's not here. Oh my god. This is terrible, dude. these stupid teleports that, like, don't make any sense. You can't even tell they're there, and they just warp you around. I don't like that. I don't like anything about this. Oh my good lord. 1 kill! This isn't even worth it. This isn't even worth hunting this 1 kill down. This is garbage. This is such garbage. Okay, man. I'm about to just call it. Did I see something over here? We found him. It was a chain gunner. Let's go. Dude, thank you God. Put me out of that misery. That was awful, man. That's gonna be a really long video, but I do not care. I'm skipping that. 35 minutes. I don't even care. I just... Oh, man. I could have probably done that better had I known. The thing is, though, is that I did. I played this level before, and I went back and refreshed myself, like, yesterday. And it was still, like, a nightmare mess to actually go through. It's so long that I kept thinking I should have more secrets than I did. Turned out I was right on track, but I second-guessed it, and that took some time. Just figuring out the unintuitiveness and just of the map itself, that took some time also, because I was like, what is happening? And then I got to the end, and of course I was short 4 kills, 3 kills, something like that. Ended up being those imps and that lone chain gunner who, God knows where that chain gunner was. Like, literally, where was he? Because I had already been back through that room, and he wasn't in there before. Literally, where was he? That's insane. Alright, I'm just glad it's over. All kills, all secrets, I don't have to play this level again. And I don't think that I ever will, because that was just awful. Alright, let's move on. Habitat. Equally terrible, I think.